Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So recently Meta has released a new suite of models, Llama 3.1, and the most capable one is 405B. I have my 70B inside of u.com, but to my surprise, when I went on Perplexity, settings and then models, there it was, Llama 405B, which is again the most capable model out of all. And there are some testing that suggests that Llama is better than GPT-4o and Sonnet as far as coding and programming, but all in all, it's a true competitor to the aforementioned two. So in this video, we'll be talking about the three unique use cases of Llama 405B inside of Perplexity, and I'll be using the prompts from my free ChatGPT prompts library linked down below. So the first use case is the one that I use most often, the famous OneClick SEO prompt. So let's go to Perplexity. Let's make sure Llama 3.1 405B is chosen. New thread, focus. This is a one-click solution that combines the outline from Neuron Writer, the NLP keywords from Neuron Writer, and also the links from my sitemap, conveniently hosted inside of a links.txt file, like so. And all you need to do is click Next, and you'll get a highly SEO optimized article that we can then check with Neuron Writer. And I always look at the links and how capable the current LLM that I'm testing is with including semantically relevant links. One of the problems that I see time and time again is the anchor text, but we'll be able to evaluate that in a second. So we've got a nice table. So far, this is shaping up to be a 1000 article. No links as far as I can see. And I already have Neuron Writer ready with the title and the meta description pre-populated for those of you playing at home. Okay, I'm seeing some relevant links. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, nice. Let's get rid of the links first and let's check the SEO score of this. Okay, the SEO score is 69, not bad. It's better than the best score as far as our competition goes. Let's check the Hemingway. And this is grade 14, unfortunately. But in my prompt, I never specified a readability grade level. So that's on a higher side, but still, we have everything we need. 888 words, internal links, tables, everything is in order. So this is a use case number one. You can use it as a one-click solution to write highly SEO optimized articles with links. The other use case, I think, is a more interesting one, at least for me right now. This is my 5K listicle prompt. That is a derivative from my sequence prompt. I want you to execute the following steps one by one. Generate 10 popular questions about the best AI copywriting tools. Take the first question from the list from step 1 and write a 1000-word article. So basically, this acts as 10 separate articles glued together. Throughout all the generations, I'm asking to insert the link to my website. So if you go to WordsAtScale.com and click on Deals and Discounts, you'll get to this page here with exclusive deals for our community and some of the tools reviews. And I'm asking Perplexity to include that throughout the generations. So let's take a look. Okay, so these are the 10 popular questions, as I said. Now Perplexity went on to write the first article, complemented by a nice looking table. And as you can see in the end, for more information on the best SEO tools and discounts, check out WordsAtScale.ai, which leads to my page. Please let me know if I can proceed with the next step. And you can just say, go to step 3, and this should pick up where it left off, with the second question, which is how do AI copywriting tools work and what are their benefits? Yes, indeed. And if you complete all the steps, you will end up having a 5 to 7K giant listicle that you can use for parasitic SEO, for example, host on LinkedIn or Medium on Perplexity pages. And actually, this is going to be the use case number 3. So let's open up a library and go to page. And let's name the page Best AI Copywriting Tools of 2024. And the audience is going to be beginners. Okay. And Perplexity is populating the page. AI copywriting tools have become the new secret weapon for businesses in 2024. AI tools for social media content are like having a team of digital wizards, blah, blah, blah. AI tools for SEO optimization. AI copywriting tools for e-commerce. And what you can do next, and this is one of the questions I've been asked a lot about, how you can insert your own links. And this ended up being very easy. So you can go to add a relevant table to the above paragraph and make sure to include a link to WordsAtScale Best SEO Tools. Okay, to complement the information about AI tools for SEO optimization, here is a table showcasing some popular SEO tools: experience level, beginner, intermediate to advanced tools, Google Keyword Planner, rank item Ahrefs, price range, and now look at that. For more comprehensive list of SEO tools and exclusive discounts, you can check out the detailed guide at WordsAtScale. And this actually leads to my page. So this is how you include your relevant links. Also, what you can do is rewrite the prompt. Let's try this with a little tweak. Let's try it with this section here, a copywriter tools for e-commerce. Follow up the above section with a relevant table, and also use rich anchor text to insert a link to WordsAtScale best SEO tools in the answer where relevant. So let's see if this changes this from a citation to an actual clickable link. These are the AI conversion tools, and this is a comprehensive guide to the best SEO tools and discounts. And as you can see, this is now a clickable link that leads to my page. And you can build out this page, insert your link strategically, and if this gets traction, you get a lot of traffic. If it doesn't get any traction, you can drive traffic from Reddit, for example. But if you go to Discover, you can see that some of the pages are getting a lot of views. 2,000 views, 40,000 views, 5,000 views, 5,000 views. So this is entirely possible. So once again, all of the prompts are going to be in my free ChatGPT library with the link down below. The 3 use cases is the OneClick SEO prompt, then a giant listicle, and then a Perplexity page with your links strategically inserted in the right places. Go check out Perplexity, enjoy the new Llama 3.1 405B model, and let me know what you think. I love you guys, I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.